जय जय श्री राम. Hey guys, I am back with another video. In today's vlog, I am going to share about my recent trip to Mumbai where I explored architecture of fort area. Though I could not cover each and every building because it was a short trip, but stay tuned till the end because we have some amazing shots for you and you will definitely love the last building. My first stop was CST, also known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, previously known as Victoria Terminus. It's a blend of Victorian Gothic revival and traditional Indian architecture and now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was designed by Frederick William Stevens and was built over 10 years period from 1878. Sitting pretty atop CST's dome is the Statue of Progress. This 16.6 feet tall woman holds a flaming torch in her right hand and a spoked wheel in her left. And a fun fact, it was struck by lightning in 1969. The grand entrance gates are topped with a lion, symbolizing the UK, and a tiger, symbolizing India. Carved in yellow mallard stones, its facade features intricate 3D carvings of animals, flora, and traditional Indian symbols. Additionally, gargoyles, a staple of Gothic cathedrals of various shapes and sizes, are perched across the building's exterior. This is what I like the most in this structure. The building is covered with a menagerie of stone elements jutting out from its wall. And then I spent some time looking at some Mumbai ka rada.
Priorities.
Coming back to the interiors, it has some crazy details. The door you see is made from Burma teak wood, marble columns with animal motifs carved on white limestone. But before I go into more details about the interiors, you should see this.
Bharat?
On the station.
How do you know? How do you know?
Back to the main part, the star chamber. You would stand under a wooden vaulted ceiling covered with hundreds of gold stars painted on an azure background. We are surrounded by marble columns and intricately carved stone arches, and there above the ticket counters are the gorgeous Minton tile floors of the chamber's gallery. The station is also adorned with intricately designed stained glass panels. Then I took an exit and saw similar gargoyles throughout the elevation with stained glass windows. Standing tall adjacent to the road is the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, or the famous BMC building. The architects debated between two proposed designs, one Gothic and one Indo-Saracenic. The structure was finally built using blend of Venetian Gothic and Indo-Saracenic architecture. The structure is complete with carved arches, winged allegorical figurines holding a ship in her right hand named Uds Prima in Indus, and a stunning main tower. Across the street, we saw the Black Key House, also an example of Victorian Gothic revival style. And then the General Post Office building, where the guard did not allow us to enter the building because of the ongoing renovation. It is designed by Scottish architect John Beck in 1913, which is a prime example of Indo-Saracenic style of architecture of British Bombay era. With area of 120,000 square feet, it has the second largest dome in India. It was then the time for me to sit in the new AC double-decker bus, dropping us to our next stop near Colaba Causeway. Here we saw this beautiful building constructed using blue basalt, specifically the Kurla stone, the Maharashtra Police Headquarters, which was again designed by Frederick William Stevens, inspired from Gothic revival style. Red Mangalore tiles were used for the roof. The sculptures were done in Bath stone. The pediment has sculptures of Roman god of water and the sea, Neptune, nymphs, seahorses, and waves that recall the building's proximity to the Arabian Sea. And then we headed over to this next building, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya. designed by architect George Wittek. The dome of this building is designed after the Gol Gumbaz of Bijapur, and the finial is copied from the Taj at Agra. The exploration continued and we found the Koosji Jahangir Hall opposite to CSMVS. It was built in 1911 by George Wittek. In 1996, architect Romy Khosla added walls and marble flooring while preserving the facade, as heritage rules did not allow modification to the facade. The entry was free here and the gallery was showcasing an artistic depiction of Ramayana. It was time to see the most iconic structure in Mumbai, the Gateway of India. It was designed to receive a monarch about to set foot in India for the first time. The Gateway of India stands 26 meter tall with the central dome that is 14 meter in diameter. The structure was built using yellow basalt stones over a reinforced concrete structure and a carved stone lattice work known as Jali. It was designed in Indo-Saracenic style by George Wittek, featuring a mix of Indian and Islamic architecture with British organization and composition. Then the Taj Mahal Palace, you all know about it. It is the Mumbai icon, one of the original grand hotels of the world, designed by Sitaram Khanderao Vaidya and D.N. Mirza. It feels good to see Indian names finally first time in this video. The hotel has 543 rooms and is primarily characterized by Indo-Saracenic style. The walk to the last building started. Last in the list was the Hanuman Circle. For the first time in Mumbai, architects deliberately used the same materials, Porbandar stone and design elements, decorative keystone to maintain consistent uniformity in the Hanuman Circle's building. Hanuman Circle's shady arcades provide protection from the sun during the summer months and rain during the monsoon season. That's it guys, the Fort Region exploration come to an end with this structure. Hope you have liked it. Let me know which other city should I head over to the next and create a similar video.